So here you are seeing a drug-induced sleep endoscopy of an adult male, 46 years of age, body mass index 32.1, and apnea-hypopnea index 12, most of which are obstructive apneas, and he has got a grossly deviated septum on the left side. We are doing his sleep endoscopy with bispectral index monitoring, BIS monitoring, and you can see the deviated septum on the left side, which is completely choking the left side of the nose. And as we go on to the right side, you can see turbinate hypertrophy, which has been decongested with xylocaine adrenaline, and you can see the deviated septum on the left. So as we go on to the right side, there is a small concha bullosa seen on the CT scan also. And as we reach the nasopharynx, we see the nasopharynx is clear, there is no adenoid, but he has got salpingopharyngeal fold hypertrophy, which is grade 2 by Agarwal's classification. It's more than 75%. So he definitely had as a component of salpingopharyngeal fold hypertrophy. And as we go further inside, we see the soft palate collapsing. You can see this salpingopharyngeal fold. Clear cut obstruction at the level of salpingopharyngeal fold. Complete blockage, grade 2 by Agarwal's classification. And as we go inside, that's the soft palate. You can see the concentric collapse of the soft palate only in the lower part, not in the upper part. Is in the correct BIS range, it's below 80. And at this level, there is no collapse of the base tongue or epiglottis. So soft palate is the uvula. So it's purely an upper level collapse, including nose and palate. There's no component of base tongue and epiglottis. So we understand that intubation extubation will be not difficult. His body mass index is high 32, he is 103 kgs or a height of 179 centimeter. So he definitely has to reduce his weight, but we can definitely help by performing septoplasty, turbinoplasty, and a palatal surgery plus reduction of the salpingopharyngeal fold. Palatal surgery would be most likely a barbed pharyngoplasty with a modified uvulopalatopharyngoplasty, because you can see that this whole part of the lower soft palate, including the base of the uvula and everything, is collapsing. So we'll have to trim a part of it and pull up the rest of the part with barbed sutures by Agarwal's suspension bridge pharyngoplasty. Thank you for watching.